This is Kirk at Strutmasters.com. We'll be doing a front conversion kit on a Mercedes SL550. First, raise the vehicle on a lift or jack stands and remove the wheels. Raise the hood and locate the connector at the top of the strut and remove this connector. Remove the 3 top mount nuts from the strut. Next, underneath the car, you'll want to unhook any wires from the bracket at the bottom of the strut. Then you want to remove the sway bar end link from the lower control arm. Next, remove the bottom strut bolt. Wiggle the strut up and down to release the bolt. Place a jack underneath the knuckle. Then you're going to want to place a strap on the knuckle to prevent it from pulling on any brake lines. Then remove the upper control arm to knuckle bolt. Just remove this nut and press the upper control arm down to release the bolt. You may need a mallet to hit the control arm out. And slowly lower the jack up under the knuckle. Then pull the knuckle assembly down so the strut can pass over the lower control arm and you can remove the strut from the vehicle. Take your new Strutmasters strut and insert it into position on the vehicle. Line up your top mount studs into place and then lower the knuckle so the bottom of the strut can pass over top of the lower control arm. Insert your new bolt and washers on the lower control arm. 2 washers go in between the clevis and the lower control arm on both sides to take up the space in between the control arm and the strut. Then you can tighten the lower strut bolt. Place your jack back underneath the knuckle and raise the knuckle up. Push the knuckle towards the vehicle so you can pull the upper control arm back into place. Hold tension down on the upper control arm as you insert the bolt and tighten the bolt down. Now you can let your jack back down and move it out of the way. Then insert your sway bar back into place on the lower control arm. You may have to use a pry bar to pry the sway bar down to get it back into place. Then tighten the sway bar nut. place your supplied washers and nuts on the top mount studs. And tighten these down. And your install is complete.